Today, we're making Wagyu tataki, one of my favorite ways to enjoy Wagyu. A tataki, in essence, is basically sashimi but seared on the outside. But why do we do that? It's not merely for window dressing. When you cook protein at high heat, it causes the Maillard reaction, which makes meat taste meatier. So today, we want to enjoy that meaty goodness, as well as the beautiful sashimi characteristics that you'd expect from an A5 Wagyu. So, let's do this. We season the beef, salt and pepper. You want a smoking hot pan and a bowl of ice water on the side so that you minimize the cooking. You just want to brown the outside. I find Wagyu really misunderstood outside of Japan because people treat it as a steak for one person. There's so much fat content that this should be a piece of steak for 3 people, in my opinion. Very hot pan, here we go. And you press to maximize the surface area that's in contact with the hot pan. This is what's going to give you the browning, the Maillard reaction. That's what's going to make the outside taste meaty. And the moment you get color, you move on. And that's it. Straight into the ice bath. That was less than 20 seconds on each side. That's how fast you want to cook it. Now, while our steak is cooling down, we make the dressing. In this case, we're making a very simple ponzu sauce, which you could also buy from a supermarket. It is in essence 50-50 citrus juice to soy sauce, to light soy sauce that is. All you want to do is we juice a bit of lemon, and to that, we add some soy sauce. And that's ponzu for you. A bit of shallots. You treat it as a sashimi, and you carve it at a bias thin. Beautiful. And now, we plate. This really shows off the marbling. The reason why it is so good as a sashimi is because you either want the fat rendered properly, or you want them to be relatively solid, so you can actually enjoy the wonderful taste of the Wagyu fat. Beautiful. And now, the thinly sliced shallots. This would balance the fat, the homemade ponzu. The acidity from the ponzu really balances the Wagyu fat, and the soy sauce seasons the Wagyu and adds a bit of umami. Now, for the YouTube ingredients, let's do this. We have micro coriander. This is my concept of plating. Micro herbs, edible flour. You should still be able to see the beef. Okay, I think that's good. Now, the flowers. Red on red. Oh, it's actually not too bad, red on red. Yellow here. Looks like I'm trying too hard, maybe. Should we have a yellow with the red just in the middle? Like a happy couple, and we post this video on Valentine's Day? Close enough! And of course, now you take your selfies, you post your stories. This is truly, truly a wonderful way to enjoy Wagyu, and I hope you try it once. This is Wagyu Tataki. I hope you enjoy.